Welcome, young adventurers, to the enchanting world of Wonderwood. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey alongside Leo the lion and Lila the rabbit as they face a monumental challenge in their beloved home. The crystal lake is drying up, threatening the very essence of Wonderwood. But fear not, for our brave friends set out on a quest to find the water gem, a magical artifact that holds the key to restoring balance to their land. As Leo and Lila venture forth, they encounter Benny the bear, a lovable companion who joins them on their quest. Together, they navigate through dense forests, treacherous mountains, and mysterious caves, learning valuable lessons along the way. Through teamwork and friendship, they discover that their unique strengths complement each other, paving the way for success in the face of adversity. Through their trials and triumphs, our heroes exemplify the power of unity and cooperation. They teach us that by working together, we can overcome any obstacle that stands in our path. The tale of Leo, Lila, and Benny reminds us of the importance of standing by our friends, supporting one another, and embracing our individual strengths to achieve greatness. And so, as the water gem is returned to Crystal Lake, the waters flow once more, bringing harmony and peace back to Wonderwood. Let this story be a beacon of hope and inspiration, a testament to the incredible things we can achieve when we join forces and believe in the power of friendship. So, dear friends, remember the lesson of Leo, Lila, and Benny, that together, we are unstoppable.